How to make more friends. Whether you are starting at a new school, moving to a new city, or just want to expand your social circle. Making friends does not have to be intimidating. Stick around and I will share some tips to help you out. Be open and approachable. First thing, you need to be approachable. People are more likely to strike up a conversation with you if you look open and friendly. Simple things like making eye contact, smiling, and showing positive body language go a long way. Fourth, consistency is a key. Friendship grow over time. It's not about having one conversation and instantly become best friends. Consistency is a key. Keep showing up, keep reaching out, and keep making time for the people you can connect with. The more time you spend together, the stronger your bond will become. So don't give up if it does not happen overnight. Be a good listener. Making friends is not just about talking, it's about listening too. Being a good listener helps you build deeper, more meaningful connections because it shows that you care about the person and value their thoughts. 5. Be yourself. And finally, the most important thing, just be yourself. You want to attract friends who appreciate you for who you truly are. Let your true personality shine, and the right people will come into your life. Thanks for watching.